This video is a demonstration for the Casio SEC3500 set up for a fish and chip shop. As you can see, I'm pointing to the keyboard for the fish and chip shop. This has the items which you would typically have, such as the fish, regular cod, large cod, rock, cod bites, regular chips, large chips. We've got kids nuggets, we've got gravy, all these different things set up. It's very easy, very versatile machine. The cash box has a full size 8 coins, compartments and 4 notes. The cash box is made out of steel, very sturdy. You've got a lockable drawer unit there. The display is quite good. If you actually press an item such as large chips, you can see it comes up on the screen there. Say for example gravy, baked beans, large cod. Subtotal is always appearing there, and it comes up with 4 items, 4 quantity, £5.50 for the last item, which is large cod. If you press subtotal, type in £10 that the customer gives you, actually press the cash amount tender button, it comes up change on there, and on the till receipt, which can be switched off and on, comes up large chips, gravy, baked beans, large cod. So it'll actually show you everything that's going on. You do have a customer display on here, which will tell you the change there, or the item which the person is having, so the customer can just see exactly what's going on. That one you can actually turn around to face any side. So if you've got a counter which is a different angle, then you can do that as well. And you can push it down. It can be pushed in the back. The operator display, that can be changed at different angles. So it's easy to view. And you have facility for the staff, where you can take the key out and put it back in, or you can actually turn this to different modes if you've got the manager key, so you can leave the machine on its own with your staff and they can't do Z reports, only you can do that. I'll just clear this off. If you actually look at the screen now, and if I turn the key to program, the new facility on these new Casios, on the program section here, it's navigation with the arrows, so you can go up and down, choosing what you want. Departments, which are these here. If I just go into department, then I press the cash amount tender button. It comes up there, department number, or you can just press cash amount tendered. Then it comes up with the numbers there. Cod row, which is bottom left. If I want to just enter into that one, press cash amount tendered. You can see it actually tells you on the screen, select cash amount tendered or cancel for subtotal. So the new feature on these Casios is they're actually helping you use the machine, navigate through without actually going through the manual. So if I just press cash amount tendered now, and it comes up with the name, department number 1, then cod row, and the price £1.50. It jumps straight to the price, so if you actually have a price increase, you can actually go straight to each of the buttons very quickly. So that's £1.50. When I've finished, again, it says select cash amount tendered or return subtotal. So I press subtotal, comes out straight away. If I want to select, say, scampi, just press the arrow down key. There the arrows, up and down. The screen goes up and down. And we'll just simply press the cash amount tendered to choose which one I want. So it's a much easier machine to operate and use. You don't need to use the instruction manual for many of the options. I'll just exit that now by pressing subtotal. And then exit again by subtotal. Brings me back to the program screen. A great feature on these new ones is the SD card feature. We can actually back up the program, restore it from SD card, so if your machine was stolen, you would be able to have a backup from the SD card from a previous machine, put it in, and your program comes back on again. The machine got damaged or somebody dropped a cup of tea or something like that onto the machine, you can back it straight up. So that's a great feature, that. You've got a program feature, program to SD and program back from SD using the PC software, which you can get from our website. Before you use the SD card, you format it and you can back up the information to the flash card. So the battery backup which retains the memory settings, if that goes, doesn't matter because you've got the flash on there. So Casio are looking after you if you don't do the normal things you should do. To exit that now, basically I'll just turn the key to the mode section and then back onto register mode. So if you've got a fish and chip shop or a bar, pizza, anywhere where you would have less than 72 items on the keyboard, each item having a price, this is a great machine to have. You've got a clerk sign-on button here. You can have operators working at the same time. So if you've got a bar with a few people, they can go in and out and enter your items quite quickly. There's also a new feature on here where you can actually export the data from a Z report, and what will happen is you get the normal printout, tell you how much money you've taken, what's been sold, but if you've got the SD card on and it's switched to the SD card report function, you can export the figures, items that have been sold, straight to an SD card, put it into your PC. If you've got Microsoft Excel, it will tell you exactly what's going on via the SD card and Excel. So that's a great feature. If you've got lots of shops or you want more extensive information, it's on Excel. So not a bad budget price machine, around about the £200 mark. I would say this is about a 9 out of 10 in my personal choice of machines, but ideal if you want to not spend too much money but still get a heavy duty machine with lots of features on it. Thanks for watching.